Tired of recreating your beautiful Illustrator designs in After Effects? Let's jump right into exporting from Adobe Illustrator to After Effects, making your workflow seamless and efficient. First, open your Illustrator file, making sure you've organized your artwork into separate layers. Think of each layer as a building block for your animation and make sure you selected all the objects. Maintaining layers is key. Each layer in Illustrator directly translates to a layer in After Effects. Double-check that your layers are named logically. This will make editing in After Effects easier. With your layers in order, go to File and select Save as in the Save as Type drop-down menu. Choose the Adobe Illustrator AI format, and then select the destination folder. Now before clicking Save, check these options. Ensure Preserve Illustrator Layers is selected. To preserve the layers, click OK. This action will keep all artwork preserved during the export. Now open After Effects and navigate to where you exported your file. Drag and drop the AI file directly into your project panel. Next, an import dialog window opens. Make sure Import as is set to Composition. Retain layer sizes. Double-click that new composition in the project panel to open it. Voila! All your Illustrator layers are now in After Effects, ready for animation. You can now animate each of those layers individually, allowing you to give those static images motion and breathe new life into your creations. Now you should be able to make great videos.